Next case, we'll discuss adding a new plant that has multi-trains. By adding a new plant here, I'll say that I have 2 trains and click on enter. I can say example multi-train states raw water, well water, and here I have 2 trains. I have 1 pass for train 1. I can go to train 2 and also select how many passes I have. In both cases, I'll have only 1, and in both cases, I have 2 stages, and we'll assume it's all the same element. Go on train 2, 2 stages, and use the same element. Currency information and units and cost information. Once all this is ready, I click on save and continue. For this example, in this example here, I have an Excel file with 2 tabs, train 1 and train 2. I ensure that it has the same headers so it's easier to map, and I also ensure that the date format is the adequate format for our operations advisor. I select the file and upload it. What we'll do is that it will take each tab and create separate files for processing. Click OK. And then here I'll tell our operations advisor which tab to consider. So set train 1 will take the tab train 1, and train 2 will take the tab called train 2. In this case, we'll pick again here that is all the stages and map the data as per the headers. Quality, permeate flow, pressure, feed pressure, permeate quality as conductivity, feed temperature, and feed pressure. Once this is confirmed, I click on confirm. Then I go to train 1, and to map the same information, I can click on the top here, import column mapping, and I will take the mapping from train 2, import the columns, and click on confirm. Again, here in these conditions, we don't not have normalization data in the Excel document, so I will allow our operation advisor to run the normalization for me. The reference data is using the first row of the data that was imported, and the cleaning conditions for acid, caustic or alkali, CIP, and a cleaning solution. I click here on proceed to analysis. And then from this screen, I can select which train I want to run the analysis for. I cannot do both at the same time. I need to run train 1, do both the cleaning and lifetime advisor, then run train 2 and do the same. I can also download the normalization data that was calculated for each train if I wish by clicking on this button. And I'll have that Excel document with the normalization data calculated in it. From this screen, I can benchmark the different installations. It's important that those installations have already went through